Hello guys, today I am gonna teach you the sketching tools of Fusion 360. First of all, we have to select this feature and then select a plane to do sketch on it. Usually we prefer top plane for doing sketching. Just a second. Yes. Now the first tool is the line tool, which is used to make several lines such as horizontal, vertical, inclined line, as you can see. Yes. Now the second tool is the rectangular tool or square tool, which is used to make rectangles and square like objects. The third one is the center circle tool, which is used to make circles of various diameters. And the fourth one is the spine tool, which is used to make curves, oval type structures. Just a second. Yes, as you can see, we have made an oval structure. Now these were the basic sketches of Fusion 360. For more detailed informative videos, stay tuned.